So, it's week number 11 for the vlog. So today I'll be talking about how to train your legs without any equipment. First exercise that we're going to do, right, is the squats. So squats are very important because they build strength and stability in your leg. How do you do your squats, right? Okay, 4 things you have to make sure you must do correctly. Number 1, make sure your feet stance is correct. Your feet stand is straight, alright? Second thing, your hands must be on your shoulder. Third thing, you need to bend your legs. And last thing, you need to push your butt back. So you go down, just where you are here. Inhale as you go down, exhale as you come up. Inhale as you go down, exhale as you come up. Inhale as you go down, exhale as you come up. Inhale as you go down, exhale as you come up. So if you are weak, you might not have strength to do a simple bodyweight squat. Find a chair, alright? Do exactly the same thing I've mentioned above. Stand in front of the chair, okay? Go into the same exact position and squat down, here. Sit down and come up. Sit down and come up. So that's the first exercise that you can do. This is the second exercise that we're going to do, bodyweight lunges, alright? So bodyweight lunges, right, is a good way to build up stability and balance in your leg. So when you do it, right, make sure your feet is pointing straight, alright? So you want to bring your first feet as far as you can. So exhale down here, inhale back. Exhale down, inhale back. Exhale down, inhale back. Exhale down and inhale back. When you're doing, you want to make sure your body is centered. You're not leaning one side. You're not leaning the other side. The last exercise that I'll be doing today will be a step up. Simple step up, right? If you're doing it at home, right, just make sure you have a chair, make sure you have a stool, something that's high enough for you to step up to. And make sure it's sturdy, so like it doesn't shake, it doesn't break. So how do you do it, right? Make sure you step one leg up, then exhale up, then inhale down, put your leg down, then change the leg. Exhale up, then bring your leg down, good. Then exhale up, inhale down. So if you are confident, you can go faster. If you're not confident, you can go slower. So for all the exercises that I've mentioned today, right, you should try to do about 8 to 10 times. So it comes to the end of today's vlog. It's just very simple 3 exercises for you to do. Squats, lunges, step-ups. These are 3 simple foundational movements for you to strengthen your leg. So if you are a beginner, try 8 to 10 reps. If you are a bit more intermediate to more advanced, you can go for 12 to 15 reps. Then these are some simple things. So once you get stronger, you can try some weights. So like, share and comment today's video, and also check out my other videos here like back training and also some other full body workout training. So give me a comment for more future content you want to see. Thank you.